Hey, ladies, and welcome visitors. You've reached Renee at Blessed and Beautiful, and today, for the second time, today, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm box. All right, y'all. I just did a video. I was so, how you do a video and you're like, yeah, that was great. I can't find it. I've looked through my phone. I've checked in the gallery. I've checked in the trash. I have checked everywhere. I didn't check trash. I could check trash again. But I'm going to do this one. It's going to be short. That one was long. And the reason why is I'm celebrating my Boxycharm anniversary. I have now been with Boxycharm for 1 year. My last box last year was January 11th, 2020, I believe. Today is January 14th, I believe. And I just received my base box, and so I was really excited because I talked about some of the things that I liked, and you know how you just do a good video. Well, yeah, this is gone. I don't know where it is. I'm still celebrating my anniversary, and we'll go back into all that stuff. We'll redeem it when it's time to open the premium box, whenever it gets here. But for now, let's talk about this base box. Now, I'm not going to sit up here and make it look like I just opened it. It's been open. So, and when you open it like this, for those who don't know, this means that you have the base box. The base box is the one that costs $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and it should be over $125 in value. Okay, so let me show you the things that I got in the box, and I'll tell you about the total for this box, and then I'll give you some information because you might want to try to do this. Okay. So, this is a card that comes in the box. Down in this bottom corner, it will tell you what your variation is. And this is new to us. Nobody knows what this means. There's just a whole long list of numbers and letters and a heart. So, I guess if you get this, you got the same box I got, I guess. All right, so visitors, I hope that you will love what you see here today and that you will subscribe to my channel, become part of the Slady Squad, and we would love to have you here. So after you see what I got in here, take a few minutes, not even minutes, seconds, you hit subscribe and then tap the bell. And then every time I upload a video, it will be here for you to see. And you'll be on the front row. Hey, front row, how y'all doing? I would do my, the things, but it's late and everybody's asleep except for me. All right, so let's go. First in the box that came out was the Violet Voss I Love You Forever palette. This palette is amazing. Let me tell you, it has 12 shadows. Some of them are matte, some of them are shimmers, and it is a beautiful palette. If I can ever get it out the box. Here is the palette, and it has a beautiful design on the cover, and the words are this gold lettering. Very, very beautiful. I love the play on words. I love you forever. This is almost like a Valentine's Day palette, but it's green. And this palette retails for $34. When you open it up, there's a very nice mirror there. A really nice mirror. And then here are the shades. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? So you don't only just get shades of green. They're also trying to make sure that this pulls right. There's also some shades of burgundy. There's a pink shade. Just nice neutral shades to make this an all-around beautiful look. There's even a black in there. And I tell you, I swatched these earlier. I've never had a Violet Voss palette. I'm in love with Violet Voss palettes. Yes, I'm going to be digging up trying to figure out how can I buy some other ones that are out there. They do have some in our Boxy add-ons and pop-up shop too. So you can get nice items with a serious discount. So, all right, moving on. I got the... Where did it go? Oh no, did it get lost? We're going to come back to that because I took the stuff out and I don't know what I did with it. See, that's why I can't lose videos. Okay, so anyway, This is the Farmacy Green Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. Retails for $38. Okay, and this is a wonderful oil-free moisturizer. Can be used daily. You can use it at night and in the morning if you would like. It says it has lasting hydration and it does not leave you feeling greasy. That is important. It is a very beautiful, sleek jar, and the top always has this little lid thing to keep your gel from coming out. And if you look inside, it's a beautiful green gel. It smells good. I've heard that it's the papaya that I'm smelling, and this is the consistency of it, and a little goes a long way. Earlier, I took out maybe double this amount, and I did both my hands and my wrists. This little bit goes a long way, and it feels so moisturizing. Very, very moisturizing. Okay, moving on. Okay, I had already put it in my stash. All right, so it was this product here. This is the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss. Unprofessional is the name of the shade. It's a hot peach that will tell the world you mean business. And this retails for $18. And I did swatch it. And for those of you who would like to wear this to work, you're good. It is not as opaque as it looks. It does have a little bit of sheerness to it, but I'm sure you probably could build it up or wear it over a similar shade to make that pop, right? And I really loved this box. I had a ball opening this earlier. All right, next that was in the box. This is the Avant Hyaluronic. Woo, I'm not gonna read all that. The Avant Skincare Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. That's a lot. $90. I'm going to be cherishing this. This is supposed to have an oily area here and then a fresh water area here that when mixed together are able to remove all your makeup, all of your lipstick, eyeshadow, waterproof stuff. It'll all come off with this. Can't wait to try it, and this should make me look beautiful because it's $90. Yes, but that is lady approved. I'm telling you, I like it. All right, moving on. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and here is number 5, which is the Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. Okay. I was wondering why they had red apples on here, because there are green apples inside the ingredient, the formula, but I see that the name of the company is Apple and Balm, and so this is why you see red apples on the front. And it says, this is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. You boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba, and rosehip oils that work synergistically. I think that means together, to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped all at once for $25. Man, this is going to make my lips feel amazing for $25. It is a very light, almost oily, formula. So I tried to shake it up so you wouldn't get like all oil and none of the other stuff. But when I opened it, still had a good amount of oil. So let's do this. There we go. So you see in the middle, that's that balm. That's what I was trying to get in. Mix those two together. Yes. This feels amazing. That feels amazing just on my hands. So imagine this on your lips. This is going on my lips tonight. I love it. Very moisturizing. Very, very good. Alrighty, so that's it, ladies. I added this up, and this box came to a total of $205. That was the Daily Greens oil-free moisturizer, the Apple and Balm Glow lip mask, my Avant Micellar water, my Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm lip gloss called Unprofessional, and my Violet Voss I Love You Forever palette. Beautiful. I am going to use every single one of these items. Thank you, Boxycharm. Happy anniversary to me. Bye, everyone. So glad that you came. Oh, wait. Are you a visitor? Did you tap the subscribe button and tap the bell? Because every time I do a video, you'll be right there on the front row with the Slady Squad. Hey, Slady Squad, how are you all doing? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Come back and see me for part 2 of my anniversary. It's going to be lit. I tell you, we're going to have fun. You know what we say around here, whether it's day or evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, I hope that it is good. Don't forget to pray, ladies, because we really need it. And don't forget to slay.